Okay, so students, here this is the structure of nidoblast cell. Okay, and this is the nidicil which is inserted inside the skin of. Okay, so that is the thing. Now, what is the function of nidoblast cell?
Sir, what is that green color, sir, inside the cone? And thread-like structure is nematocyst, sir.
Where thread-like structure?
In that cone only, sir, white color you have
That is
made from, sir.
inverted thread. Inverted thread.
Okay, sir. What is the function of that inverted thread, sir?
That is just help in stinging actually. Inverted thread.
Okay, sir. Thank.
Okay, so function of the nidoblast cell we will see. The first function of nidoblast cell is what? Anchorage to the body. Provide anchorage to body. Provides anchorage to body. Means anchorage means what?
Grip.
Grip. Yes, very good. Grip. Okay, grip to the body. Second, defense from enemy. Defense from enemy. Okay. Third is what? Capture of food. So all coelentrates are what? Carnivorous. Okay. So capture of food by paralyzing prey. Understood? So these are the function of what? Nidoblast cell. Written up to here? Okay. So nidoblast cell can be used only once. Okay. Nidoblast cells once used, then discarded from body. Okay, you know memory card, if you are putting inside the mobile, that is carded. If you take out the memory card, that is discarded. Clear or not? Like this. If the nidoblast cell once used, then discarded from the body. And in place of nidoblast cell, another cell will come. In place of nidoblast cell, another cell called as another cell. What is the name of that another cell? Another cell called as interstitial cell. Interstitial cells come. What is the use of interstitial cell? It help in what? Power of regeneration.
Sir, after this interstitial cell is used, then instead of that, another nidoblast cell will come, sir.
No. Once the nidoblast cell will be used, okay, then what happen? Nidoblast cell will be detached out of the body of coelenterate, and the in the ectodermis a new space will be there na. In that a new cell will form. The name of new cell will come. That is the name interstitial cell.
Sir, but this is nidoblast only, but it is having another name, that is interstitial.
No. It is not nidoblast. Nidoblast gone out. It is fixed in the body of host. Suppose if any coelenterate bite you, then what happen? They will insert their sting inside your body. Same thing happening in honeybee also. You know, honeybee if you
So,
bite
sir,
you, their sting will be inside your skin only. So in the place of that, now new nidoblast will never come, but another cell will come there. That is the name is what? Interstitial cell.
Sir, in their life, then they can use only once the nidoblast,
Yes,
sir.
once only they can use the nidoblast. You
Then
told
their
that.
lifespan should be very less, no, sir? If they can use this very less, only one time in their life.
Yes, like that. But one thing, lifespan means the asexual reproduction also they are doing. So like that, they can survive more. Means asexual form, newborn will have new type of nidoblast cells.
Okay, sir.
So power of regeneration and gamete formation. These are the two function of what? Interstitial cell. If hydra is cut into many pieces, then only okay. If hydra cut into many pieces, okay, then only that piece will into new hydra. Into new hydra who have what? Which cell?
Interstitial cell.
Yes. If hydra is cut into many pieces, then only that pieces will grow into new hydra in which interstitial cells are present. Clear or not? Oh, completed. Interstitial cell. Okay. Next. Uh, nidoblast cell understood? Okay. Now, you know mesoglia. What is the use of mesoglia? Where the mesoglia is found?
Fiber. It is present between the ectoderm and the endoderm, sir.
Provide strength and support to body wall. Okay, suppose this is the hydra. This is the hydra. Now this is the tentacles. Hey, 1 minute. Suppose this is the hydra.
Sir, 1 second, can you scroll the screen?
1 minute.
A little bit. Yes.
Suppose this is the hydra. These are what? Tentacles of hydra. Okay. This
Okay, sir. Written.
written na. Okay. Suppose this is the hydra. Now mesoglia will be thick at oral end or aboral end.
Oral end because of the tentacles.
Yes, mesoglia is thin at the oral end. Why? Because tentacles need the flexibility to move. If your mesoglia will be move, the tentacle can't able to move properly. Okay, but here this side, mesoglia will be what? Thick. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thickest mesoglia is found in jellyfish. Clear to here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so only one opening is present. What is the name of that opening?
Oral end.
No,
Yeah.
hypostome. Hypostome. Write down. Only a single opening is present. The mouth is called hypostome. Okay. Mouth is called hypostome. Now this is the hypostome. Okay, so it is the okay, only single opening. Okay, one single opening. So they are eating food through hypostome and taking out the undigested food through what? Hypostome. Okay.
Sir, why do you have you marked the thin mesoglea and thick mesoglea in the hydra, sir?
Because see here what is present, tentacle. Tentacle is used to catch the prey. Okay. Now if thick mesoglea will be there, mesoglea will be thick at that tentacle end, then it will mesoglea will not be flexibly move to catch the prey. The mesoglea should be move very flexible. Clear or not?
Okay, sir, okay.
But on the other end it is attached to ground, so there no movement is required. That's why their mesoglea is thick. If you see the tree, banyan tree, if at the top it is thin, but its base is very broad. Thickness is more. So from the hypostome, ingestion of food as well as egestion of food both is taking place. Clear? So only single mouth is there, and which act like both mouth as well as what, anus. That is called as what, hypostome. Okay. So digestion of and one more thing. Uh, so hypostome leads to what? Tell me. If this is the hypostome, then this body cavity is called as what? Coelenteron, also called as
Gastrovascular cavity.
yes, gastrovascular cavity. So digestion of food is both okay. So in gastrovascular cavity, extracellular digestion takes place. Write down. In coelenteron, takes place. In coelenteron, extracellular digestion takes place by what? By digestive enzymes. So in the coelenteron, what is present? Digestive enzymes are there. So extracellular. So this medium will be what? Acidic medium or basic medium? Acidic medium. Clear or not? Next, we will talk about cells of gastrodermis. Cells of gastrodermis or endodermis. So here, only one cell is present. The name of that cell is what? Nutritive muscular cell. Also called as endotheliomuscular cell. So what is the function of nutritive muscular cell or endotheliomuscular cells? Okay, intracellular digestion of food. Intracellular digestion of food. Okay, so in the coelentrates, the digestion first, okay, in coelentrate, digestion is first intracellular. No, sorry. First extracellular. Where? In coelenteron. Then next, second, intracellular. So where? Which cell? Nutritive muscular cells. Clear? But if we saw in the sponges, only and only intracellular digestion takes place. That means first in choanocyte, then in trophocyte. But here, first extracellular digestion in coelenteron by the digestive juices, and second in what? Nutritive muscular cell. Clear up to here? Okay. Voice is clear or not?
So,
Okay.
clear, sir.
Can I scroll up?
Acidic.
That I forgot to tell. So here, extracellular digestion takes place in which medium? Acidic. Intracellular digestion takes place in which medium? Basic.
Clear, sir. Yes.
Okay, so
Sir,
yes.
sir, 1 minute. Can roll up, sir.
Okay. After writing, tell me.
Okay, sir.
So simplest nervous system is found. I already told na. In this most primitive nervous system is found. Okay, that and all completed. Digestion also over. Excretion and respiration takes place through general body surface. No respiratory organ, no excretory organ. Okay, so respiration and excretion by what? General body surface. So this completed. Now we will talk about their reproduction. Okay, so what are the reproduction techniques? Asexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction take place by what? Hydra. Okay, and what is that? Fragmentation or budding?
Sir. Basic.
Both,
Both,
sir.
sir.
Fragmentation. Asexual reproduction takes place. Example what? Hydra. Now sexual reproduction is also taking place. That is,
Jellyfish?
yes, very good. Jellyfish. Okay, and all are what? Hermaphrodite, except Hydra. All are hermaphrodite, but some species of Hydra are unisexual also. We can't say. So hermaphrodite. Okay. Fertilization is external. In Porifera it was
Sir,
internal.
hermaphrodite means.
Sir, if
Hmm.
sir, if it all are hermaphrodite, you said some jellyfish are not hermaphrodite, then it will become wrong, no, sir.
Yeah, sorry. I mean maximum are hermaphrodite, or not all we can say here. Okay, correct.
Okay, sir.
Mostly are what? Hermaphrodite. Okay, means
Sir, hermaphrodite means.
hermaphrodite means bisexual, also called as monoecious. The meaning of this word is, these three words are having the same meaning. The meaning of this word is what? Both male and female sex organ present in one individual, one organism. Okay, suppose this is the one organism. In this, both male and female individual is present.
Yes, sir.
In human, Male individual is different, female individual is different. But in the hermaphrodite, male and female both reproductive organ found in same one individual only. That is the thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one thing. Oh, the jellyfish is also hermaphrodite, na? Jellyfish is also hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite can also do sexual reproduction. This thing you know or not?
Yes, sir.
Y- Yes, sir. Because another organism also can be hermaphrodite, so they can exchange. Both
Exchange the gametes,
hermaphrodite can
yes.
exchange.
You know some hermaphrodite animals, for example, tapeworm. Okay, in tapeworm, suppose this is the worm. This is what, suppose tapeworm. So both male sex organ and female sex organ. Both male sex organ and female sex organ found in same individual. Now male sex organ will produce what? Gametes, male gamete.
Gamete.
Female will what? Sperm. This sperm and ovum fuse inside the same body. This is called as what?
Self-fertilization.
Understood. If you talk about the earthworm, in the earthworm, this is the male sex organ, this is the female sex organ. So the two earthworm exchange their gametes like this. Okay, the male sex organ of one inserted into the female sex organ of other, and like this they will exchange. This is called as cross fertilization.
There are many types of fertilization, sir.
Internal fertilization, external fertilization, self fertilization, cross fertilization, many types are there. As you will study, new types will come. Okay, so the male part go inside the female part of one worm, first worm, male part go inside the second worm, male part will go inside the first worm. Like that they will exchange. They are both okay, juxtaposing each other. So that and all. Okay. Can I clear this? So hermaphrodite animal can also do the sexual reproduction. Okay, fertilization is what?
Yes, sir. Fusion of male and female gamete to form the zygote. Oh, okay. I thought you're asking definition for.
No, fertilization is what? External. External. Why it is not internal in Coelenterata? Okay, so gametes will digest by enzyme in the coelenteron. In gastrovacuolar cavity, enzymes are there. So that will what? They will digest the gametes. That's why here you will never see internal fertilization. Clear or not? Only external fertilization. Okay. Development is always indirect. Development is indirect. Are voice is coming or not? Please reply someone.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
fertilization.
Okay. Development is indirect in the sense. What is larva? Name of larva we will see. Planula larva. Planula larva. Where is this planula larva is found? Obelia. Physalia. Second is Ephyra larva. This is the larva of what? jellyfish. Okay, clear up to here? Now, coelentrates are having two types of body forms. Coelentrates have two type of body forms. One is called as polyp, and another one is called as what?
Coming, sir. Medusa.
Medusa. Okay. Body forms are of two type, polyp and medusa. Medusa. Now, what happened? What is polyp and what is medusa? That we are going to discuss here. You know one umbrella. In older time, one umbrella was coming.
Yes, sir.
Here one pointed structure was coming out.
Like stars, sir.
Yes, one pointed structure is coming. Okay, inverted umbrella. What is this?
Inverted umbrella.
Yes, if you keep the umbrella invert, okay, umbrella. Here also I will make one structure of umbrella. This is which type of umbrella? Tell me. Erect umbrella. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, if you keep the umbrella inverted, can you take it from one place to another place?
No,
Yeah.
sir.
No, na? Because this pointed structure
No,
will be
sir.
inserted inside the
Sessile.
soil. Okay, so that's why polyp form are always what? Sedentary or sessile.
Sessile.
Yes. But in the medusa, this type of umbrella you can hold in hand and you can go from one place to another. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So this is what?
Yes.
This is what? Free swimming or free living. Free moving. Anything you can write. Medusa. Clear up to here? Okay. Now as this is inverted, its hypostome or mouth is looking upward or downward. Because see, if you are purchasing anything from the
Upward.
shop, you can keep it here also, na? Something you have purchases from the shop, you can keep it
Yes, sir.
here. Okay. So its hypostome is what? Face upward.
Upward.
Face upward. Okay. And its hypostome is what?
Facing downward.
Yes. Hypostome face downward. Clear up to here? Now one more thing you tell me. This polyform can't go from one place to another place. So what it will do? It will gather what? Food. Okay. Food will, okay, you can gather something in the inverted umbrella from the shop. If you are not having any carry bag, you will put your umbrella inverted and you put some whatever you have purchased. By that umbrella you can come to home. Understood? So what is the main function of polyp? Food gathering. Okay, clear? But this is what? Free swimming, so no need of food gathering. Whenever medusa form feel hungry, they can go anywhere, they can eat anything. But this polyp form, they can't go from one place to another. That's why they are always involving in what? Food gathering. Okay, one thing you tell me, this polyp form can't go from one place to another place. But this medusa can go from one place to another place. So who can do the sexual reproduction? For sexual reproduction, another partner is required. One more partner is required. Okay.
Medusa.
Yes, Medusa can go to another partner. Okay. So Medusa always do what?
Sexual reproduction?
Reproduction. Because it can go to another partner. Because it is motile. But this polyp can't go to its partner for doing sexual reproduction. That's why they are always doing what?
Asexual reproduction.
Asexual.
Asexual reproduction. Clear or not? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the definition of polyp form? Okay. The polyp form is what? Sessile. Okay. They are what? Sessile. Sessile or sedentary. Cylindrical shape. Sessile cylindrical shape and asexual reproduction. What will be the definition of medusa?
Sexually producing organisms who are motile
Umbrella shape
and are in umbrella shape.
and sexual reproduction. Sexually reproducing. Okay. Clear up to here? Polyp and medusa.
Yes.
Example of polyp form: corals. Example of medusa form: jellyfish. Clear or not?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will talk about metagenesis. Put the
Sir,
heading.
Hydra is an example of poly.
What?
Hydra is an example of
Yes,
poly.
Hydra is polyp. Hydra is polyp. But it will do locomotion. I am telling. Somersaulting and looping. Two type of locomotion. That's why polyp, if we will say coral is the purest example of polyp. Now I will tell you metagenesis once. Okay. What is mean by metagenesis? Have you put the heading metagenesis?
Yes, sir.
Super. What happened? Metagenesis. It is also called as alternation of generation.
Sir, I've heard it about this, sir. I think last year they taught, sir, about metagenesis. I heard, sir, about it. I think that different, they can they can change their gametes. I think
No.
between polyp and medusa.
Yeah.
We need to check both the form.
Yes, very good. Formation of polyp. Formation of polyp from
Medusa, sir. But they can reproduce both together, no, sir. They will
No.
form a new organism.
Medusa will do what reproduction? Sexual reproduction. And form what? Polyp. And formation of medusa from polyp by asexual reproduction. Formation of medusa from polyp by asexual reproduction. So what is happening here? First, what it will do? Medusa form is there. Medusa. Okay, two medusa will combine and do what? Sexual reproduction. Then what will form? Polyp. Then polyp will undergo what? Asexual reproduction. It will form what? Medusa. Okay, so this is called as what? Alternation of generation. In one generation, medusa is forming. Next generation, polyp is forming. Next generation, again medusa. Again, what will form? Polyp. This is called as what? Metagenesis. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Example: who are performing metagenesis? Obelia,
Polyp. Obelia.
Physalia. These are performing metagenesis. Okay, Obelia, Physalia. Clear up to here? Okay, but one thing I want to make it clear. Okay, corals, no metagenesis. Okay, remains in polyp form throughout the life. Throughout life. If you talk about jellyfish, in jellyfish also remains in medusa form throughout the life. No polyp stage is there. Throughout the life. So here no metagenesis takes place. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this was all about the metagenesis. I already explained polyp form and medusa form. And tomorrow we will study. Today actually time is over now. Tomorrow we will study about some examples. Okay. Examples we will study tomorrow. Okay, va?